Model 66 plate Ford Tourneo Connect Zetec 1.5 TDCI automatic crew cab disability ramp ideal motorcycle transport NOND runner timing belt snapped. Body blue panel van. Mileage 89,159. MOT the 3rd of July 2025. Engine 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6E. Transmission front wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start, timing belt has snapped. Straightforward simple repair if you know what you're doing. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well